By the end of the video, you'll have leveled up so fast, everybody thinks you're Illuminati. You know what pisses me off? Everyone out here selling you these fake productivity hacks and morning routines that don't do anything except make you feel like you're productive, but you're not really. And then you wonder why you're still stuck in the same place 6 months later, while some random person you went to high school with is out there living their dream life making a ton of money. Well, here's the truth nobody wants to admit. Most people are never gonna level up because they're too busy playing checkers while everyone else is playing chess. You're focusing on all the wrong things and it's keeping you broke, it's keeping you average, and it's keeping you exactly where you are right now. But by the end of this video, you're gonna understand exactly what the top 1% knows that you don't, and trust me, once you get this, there's no going back. Now, if you wonder why I know that this works, my name is Fred, and I've used these methods to make thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. As a matter of fact, I had my first $1,000 day at 21, and my first $2,600 day at 22. And when I say these numbers, it's not even revenue, it's only cash collected. And over like 96% of it was profit. And I used to be broke. And I used to be a broke, anxious kid who couldn't leave his parents' house to go for a walk. Like, that's how much anxiety I had. If I could change like this, I am living proof that you can too. Now listen to me very carefully, because most people completely miss this. This is the thing that separates the people who actually make it from the people who stay stuck forever, hating their life. You need to change your identity instead of just changing the actions that you do. Most people focus on what they're doing instead of who they're being, and that's why they fail every single time. Let me break this down for you very simply. It's gonna make a lot of sense, and you'll wonder why you never understood this before. Think about someone who's overweight, and they want to get fit, right? Well, what do most people do? They go on some crazy restrictive diet, they torture themselves at the gym for 3 weeks, and the entire time, they're just counting down the days until they can go back to eating pizza and sitting on the couch. And guess what happens? The second that diet is over, boom, all the weight comes right back. Why? Because they never actually changed who they are on the inside. They just tried to force themselves to do different actions while still being the same person. Now, imagine we could take the mind of an athlete, somebody who's been fit their entire life, and put it inside that overweight person's body. What would happen? They'd get fit and they'd stay fit. No question about it. Why? Because your actions are always in alignment with who you perceive yourself to be. This is the secret. If you see yourself as someone who's broke, you're gonna make brokey decisions. If you see yourself as someone who's lazy, you're gonna act lazy even when you try not to. But if you truly see yourself as successful, as disciplined, as someone who's already won, your actions will naturally follow. You won't have to force yourself to do the right things because the right things will feel natural to you. So stop trying to change what you do and start changing who you are. When you wake up in the morning, you need to ask yourself, who am I becoming today? Not what am I doing, but who am I being? Are you being the person who's already successful, or are you still the person who's trying to get there? Because there's a massive difference between the two, and it shows up in literally everything you do. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Number 2. Now, this one's gonna hurt a little bit because I know you don't want to hear it, but you need to understand the power of patience. Now, before you click off this video thinking, I'm about to give you some soft motivational garbage, just hear me out. When I was a kid, and honestly, even to this day, I hated when people told me I needed to be more patient. It made me want to punch a fucking wall because I wanted everything right now. But here's what I learned, and this changed everything for me. There's 2 types of patience, and most people confuse them. The first type is what I call the loser patience. That's when you sit around doing absolutely nothing, saying you're being patient, when in reality, all you're doing is waiting for your life to magically get better, hoping that someday things will magically work out for you without doing anything. This is what most people do. That's garbage. And if that's what you're doing, you need to stop it right now because you're just wasting your life. But then there's the second type of patience, and this is real patience. This is understanding that sometimes you literally cannot speed up that process no matter how hard you try. And you just have to accept that. Let me give you a perfect example. Building muscle. You can work out for 10 hours a day, you can sleep for 12 hours, you can eat perfectly, but you're not gonna get bigger any faster than your body allows. There's a limit to how fast you can grow, and no amount of effort is gonna change that. You just have to put in the work consistently and wait for the results to compound over time, but you have to put in the work. You can't sit on your sorry ass all day and wait for things to happen to you. That's the recipe for staying broke. And that's the key word right here, compound. Most people are so focused on instant results that they completely underestimate the compound effect and exponential growth. You work hard for 2 weeks, you don't see massive results, and you quit. But if you just kept going, if you just stayed patient and kept putting in the work, those small improvements would start stacking up on top of each other, and eventually, you'd wake up one day and realize you're not even the same person anymore. That's how real growth happens. It's not linear, it's exponential. But you have to be patient enough to get to that tipping point where everything starts just taking off. The next thing I'd like to share with you literally changed my entire life and made me more money than anything else I've ever done. You need to use the 80-20 principle to focus only on the things that matter to reach your goals. Let me tell you what this means, because most people are spending 80% of their time on things that only give them 20% of their results, and it's killing their progress. The 80-20 principle says that only 20% of your actions are going to give you 80% of your results. So your job is to figure out what that 20% is and go all in on it. Forget about all the rest. It's not worth it. Here's a real example from my own life. I used to do these 3-hour-long morning routines, I'm talking meditation, journaling, cold showers like waking up at 5, exercise, reading, the whole 9 yards. And yeah, it felt good. I was doing good healthy habits. And I felt productive. But you know what? It wasn't moving the needle on my actual goals. It wasn't making me more money. So I cut out all of that. Now, all I do is I wake up early, between 5 and 6 a.m., I make myself a cup of tea and I get straight to work. There's no fancy 3-hour-long ritual. No nothing. Just me, my cup of tea, and the work that actually matters. And that simple change, that focus on what actually produces results, that is what made me the most money I've ever made in my entire life. Because I stopped wasting time on things that made me feel productive and started spending all my time on things that actually were productive. You need to look at your own life right now and be brutally honest with yourself. What are you spending time on that doesn't actually matter? What's making you feel busy without making you successful and making you more money? Cut that stuff out immediately. I don't care how good it makes you feel. I don't care if everyone else is doing it. If it's not in that 20% of activities that's driving 80% of your results, it's gonna go. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. The next thing I'd like to share with you is that you need to have this deep inner faith that the things you want are already yours, and that it's only a matter of time before your external reality reflects it. Everything happens in your mind first before it happens in real life. You visualize your success before you become rich. You see yourself trying on new clothes before you lose the 20 pounds. You feel what it's like to have made it before you actually make it. Without that belief, without that faith that you can do it and that it's already done, nothing happens. You'll sabotage yourself every single time because deep down, you don't actually believe you deserve it. In life, you get what you think you deserve, not what you deserve directly. Now, this isn't some woo-woo manifestation stuff where you just think positive thoughts and money falls from the sky. No, this is about genuinely believing in yourself so much that your actions automatically align with that belief. When you truly believe you're gonna be successful, you make different decisions, you take different risks, you show up differently, and over time, your external reality has no choice but to catch up to your internal reality. That's how this works. But most people never develop that faith. They hope they'll succeed, but they don't truly believe it. And that doubt shows up in everything that they do. So you need to build that faith first. You need to see it in your mind so clearly that it feels more real than your current circumstances. Look, leveling up isn't complicated, but it does require you to think differently than everyone else. Change your identity. Be patient with the process while working your face off. Focus only on what actually matters and believe in yourself so deeply that failure isn't even an option. Do those things and I promise you, 6 months from now, people are going to be looking at you, wondering how you did it so fast. They're going to think you got lucky. They're going to think you cheated. or that you're part of some secret society, that you are Illuminati. But the truth is, you just understood something they didn't. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit with my consulting business, I've made a free training that will show you everything. You can check it out, it's the first link in the description below. You can also apply to book a call with me or a member of my team, and we're gonna help you implement everything step by step. I'm gonna give you a custom blueprint to get your first customers as quickly as possible. Now be quick, we've got very limited spots for that. With that being said, I will see you on the other side.